Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2022 Black Transit Connect with a DLM Mini T conversion. You always have a hitch, works great for bikes, has a 2,000 pound towing capacity, shore power plug for the campsite or at a friend's house. On the roof you have solar. Over there, antenna that hooks up into the TV DVD player inside. Max air fan, which works great because it's reversible to help with ventilation. You also have the Ford vehicle air conditioner and heater. This vehicle has heated leather seats, power seat for the driver, blind spot indicators in the mirror, wireless phone charger, large navigation and reverse camera. Inside you have the 2,000 watt inverter, little table, sink, microwave that can be used on grid or off grid, meaning you do not have to be plugged in. The refrigerator, LED lighting. You have a couch that folds out into a 43 by 72 inch bed. This vehicle also has storage between what would be the first and second row seats. Check out all the details and more pictures on our website, www.dlm-distribution.com. or give us a call, 651-285-7089, or myself at 507-382-9446. Happy camping!